on the sub-Antarctic islands, there's a whole range of paleo-environmental archives. We're interested in peats, lake sediments. Peat's the most common, and what we normally do, as you can see here, we take a peat core down as far as we can, typically down onto the bedrock or maybe old lake sediments, and then using that material, we can extract some exciting things like plant remains, pollen, testate amoebae, which can then use to like reconstruct things like past climate, water table of the peat bog, and in this pristine environment where there's zero anthropogenic impact in the past, it gives you a pristine kind of paleo-environmental, paleoclimatic signal. Okay. Back in the lab, here's your kind of typical core, and what we're interested in here, as you can see, each one of these colour changes represents a significant episode of environmental change. It might be change in temperature, change in precipitation rates, and it results in this environmental response, which is then in this case preserved in this lake sediment core. Typically we'll slice it into centimetre, half centimetre slices, and from each one, that's when you start to extract things like your pollen grains, and then you can move up through the core, and basically in terms of pollen, you can chart the history of vegetation evolution at that particular site.